good, YouTube? So next car up to wrap is this Tesla Model 3. Just give it a really nice wash. I had to use a special wax sealant stripper soap. Just because the owner told me that he uses a lot of car washes that use the sealants and waxes. Not good for wrap, obviously, because wrap needs as much clean of a surface for it to stick and bond. So yeah, this is my first Tesla in general for a full wrap. I've done chrome deletes on multiple, but this is the first one that's in for a full wrap. So yeah, I'm excited. It's gonna be a nice color change. It's going Nardo gray. It kind of shows up a little bit different on camera. It's a little bit lighter in person, but yeah, Nardo gray, full color change. It's really nice with this car though, because most panels are just very simple and flat. Nothing really crazy going on. The badges I'm gonna have to remove, of course. The whole roof is black or glass panoramic, so there's no wrapping there. Yeah, just everything that's red is being wrapped, obviously, as usual. And it's gonna be a very dope looking car in the end. This red, you know, this is basic paint jobs that Tesla do, so. And from what I heard, Tesla quality from the factory isn't that amazing. So with this car, it looks like it's really nice, really nicely taken care of. So I don't think we're gonna run into any issues. I've watched a lot of videos on disassembly. It's very simple. Teslas are really easy cars to take apart and put back together. The fender trim or fender blinker camera as well. And yeah, the door handles, it's nice because they're flush with the car. So he wants to leave them black. So we're gonna leave them black and wrap around. You don't have to remove anything there. Really nice. Like I said, taillights in the back and the badge. License plate's already off. So yeah, I'm gonna get to disassembling it today. Just gave it a really good wash. Gonna let the water dry out a little bit and disassemble everything like I said. Getting it ready for wrap. I don't know if I'm gonna start wrapping today, probably tomorrow, but I definitely want to get everything that I need to taken off today. So it's all ready. But yeah, Tesla going down. I'm excited. Yo, what's good, YouTube? So the Tesla's done. Yeah, it came out amazing. I think this is one of my best wraps so far. I really took my time with it. The bumpers are really interesting. I'll show you guys in a second. But yeah, I remember saying that in the beginning that I might take the bumpers off and whatever, but you don't really need to. The corners are perfect. You know, I got full coverage as much as needed for a full color change. So yeah, pretty much like I took off the mirrors, the trims, and the taillights, and that's all that needed to be done. So cheetah wrap Nardo gray, gloss Nardo gray, came out amazing. Just put the mirrors back on and all the trims. So this is how it looks. Still gotta put his license plate on. I'll do that in a second. But yeah, it was pretty simple. Took my time with everything. This trim was removed, the top trim, because it's really tight by it and it's easy to remove, so I just removed it. Everything else, you know, tail lights, rear end, by the light, it's all perfect. In here, if I open it, it's wrapped on that whole edge, so you can't see any red when all the doors are closed. Mirrors came out awesome. Put the fender cameras back on, and yeah, came out awesome. The front bumper was probably the most complicated. Definitely inlays in the upside up here, and then one down here in the middle, and then this piece right here is the inlay, and then the full piece goes over it. So right here, it's also very interesting by this light, because the light is clear, and if you don't wrap deep enough under here, you could see the paint color through the light. It's not like the light is solid and you can't see anything from once it's past it. You could literally see deeper than that. So very tricky getting around all these edges, but it's all covered without removing the bumper. Everything's gray. Everything's perfect, as deep as it needs to be. So yeah, Tesla Model 3. Now that I've done one, I could do 100. Just bring them to me and they will be perfect, just like this one. Came out awesome, honestly. Like I said, it's a pretty easy car because you don't got to take the door handles off. You don't got to take much off, you know. Especially if it's really clean and good condition like this one. You don't got really any paint issues, other than the ones that come from Tesla's paint factory. But yeah, this one was really clean, so came out awesome. So let me know what you guys think about this Nardo gray from that red. I know Tesla only makes like 4 paint colors, so it gets really boring. A lot of people wrap their Teslas. So yeah, hit me up. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you think. And we're out. On to the next one.